The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla.
Control na this a place are you. Look here. Look here. Watch here. My bombaras clad. Watch it. Bomba blood clot.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows thousands of Jamaican dollars that had been damaged. You see me? Yeah, thousands of Jamaican dollars and they are damaged. You see me? And you can hear someone talking in the background of the video, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And according to some of the things that the person had said in the video, you know, I assume that the person seems to be upset that those thousands of dollars had been damaged. Alright, so comments have been made about this video on social media. Some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that those thousands of Jamaican dollars had been damaged by rats or rat. You see me? And you know, other things have been said. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I look at the video properly and, you know, in my point of view, I am not so sure if those money had been damaged by rats. You see me? Because some of the times, you know, you might see something damaged where it had been bite up and chewed on, and you might think it is rat or rats that had done it. But you might be surprised to know that roaches can do something like that. You see me? And I'm talking about the insect. Yeah, roach. Yeah, some persons might call them cockroach. You see me? I said to you, yeah, you might be surprised to know that them can do something like that. But anyways, you know, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. You see me? You can let me know if you think those money had been damaged by rats or roach or so on. You see me? Now, I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers, and this video that I'm going to present to you, according to what has been said about it on social media, is that this video shows a confrontation between police officers and persons within the country that is known as Guyana. You see me? Now, some places on social media, it is said that this video shows a confrontation between police officers and civilians. Now, viewers and subscribers, I cannot confirm if those persons who are said to be civilians, if they are actually civilians. You understand me? Yeah, because I might be surprised to know that one of those persons could be a police as well. But anyways, according to what had been said some places on social media about this video, it is said that this video shows when persons told police officers that they should have a warrant to search a vehicle. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you and you can let me know if you think these persons are correct or not. You can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with these persons telling the police officers that they need a warrant to search a vehicle that is shown in the video. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. No, viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Name of law. You violate citizens' rights in the name of law. Don't do that. By quoting the law, wrong. Look at me place. You think I got time for drugs? You think I got time for drugs? No. And you do the officer.
Yeah, nothing. It's sad, not some problem here. Because the vehicle make the police in. A black man can't drive a BMW.
But they must be able to code the law which gives them permission to do that. 17.
Go on.
Section 17. Section 19. And it's 1701. Right? A police could search me without a warrant. If not, right? Because I live in the US. And police can't search nobody. Car without them their permission.
So, right? The laws of the US is different than like
No, because listen to me, Chino.
What's your name?
it's just a search.
Oh.
Any given time we could stop anybody.
No, they just see the vehicle and they want to stop it.
We could stop a car and search it.
Listen, I'm gonna give y'all. When you finish, you're gonna apologize, right? Because when you're finished, you're gonna apologize,
At
right?
any given time, the police could stop, search, and detain me and the warrant. Nobody.
Yeah, it's just that nothing has done though.
Just because we get nothing legal. Go ahead.
Let me get your name. Let me get your name. And because listen, there gonna be consequences. There gonna be consequences. Because y'all is controlling people y'all don't know.
Nothing to think. Just don't point
Yeah.
push that door.
Your man driving BMW, so they want to stop you for see you get drugs. It's nothing but under.
What's your name? And you, and what's your name?
What's going on?
Forrester and
Yeah, they want.
I'm the driver.
Do you see you driving all the time? Why you must stay the driver's side? Oh, wow.
My vehicle.
No, you're not. Excuse me, sir. Where's your warrant, sir?
Good.
No, you have to.
Sister.
Where I'm from, you have to, sir.
Sister.
Sir.
Sister. Mom. The laws of Guyana are different than the laws.
No, no difference. You're supposed to get a search warrant.
Search and detain without a warrant.
You need to see. You need.
So we get the issue sorted quick and we go with it.
But what is it? Your intention is because you have drugs and all of that stuff.
You could bring me one call.
What issue you have?
Exactly.
It's a simple thing.
No.
It was a coolie man, your man doing them things you say, boy.
Oh, yeah, like
When you see Guyana, boy, we can't go nowhere. You get take, but me get take crazy to them, boy.
I don't care.
Yeah, them man swimming part of the road, them man stopping people. We get nothing legal there.
You had that my husband.
I'm telling you, look, search me back. Yeah, one search. We get nothing legal part of it. So you see how you feel. That disrespect, I'm tell y'all, boy. The man just start, the man girl, is that boy? I'm not going back down.
I don't care what simple it is. You go and get your boss. I don't care what
Get your warrant. Go get your warrant.
I don't care. You have to go there and get out this yard. You don't belong in this yard. You go get your warrant and come back. You are fast people.
We must enjoy. Yeah, we always enjoy with you. We always do.
You have a good day.
The car, get nothing to say. You got to worry yourself.
But you wanna roll up on my house because he's with this guy. This guy doesn't live here. That's his friend. He come from America. That's his friend. Y'all are fast people.
He come from body, you see me just pull over.
Viewers and subscribers, you see this whole thing where it is said that police officers should have a warrant to search a person's house or a person's vehicle. Sometimes it confuses me. You see me I say? Yeah. Because I have seen more than one videos that shows when police officers search a person's vehicle and the person keeps saying to the police that they should have a warrant, but yet still the police search the vehicle. Yes, I said to you. And you see, the thing is now, you see, I believe that every government worldwide should broadcast the laws on televisions and on social media like every day. You understand? Yeah, the laws within that country. I think that the governments or the police force or the security forces should broadcast their rules and their laws on social media and on television like if I even one time a day. You understand? If it's even one time a day. You understand? So it come like say today them choose to broadcast a certain rule on the road, and then the next day them broadcast a certain rule about when you're being searched, and the next day them broadcast a certain rule about property issues and so on. You understand? The reason why I'm saying this is because, you see, I know that there are places on social media and there are places that you can visit that will give you information about the rules and laws of a country out there worldwide, isn't it? But this is something that I get a realization of, is that there are many persons out there who do not pay attention to their rights and the rules nor the laws of their country. You understand? So therefore, I think that the government or the security forces within the countries out there worldwide should make sure that these things are being pushed to each and every person's out there to let them know, say, hey, these are the rules and the laws of the country. So you say, if you break that rule and the law, you know you're just wrong, because this is something that you see every day, so you don't have no excuse. You understand? But anyways, you know, that's just what me think. You see me? You can let me know if I am wrong or if I'm right. I'm just telling you what I think. You see me? I said to you, I think that might help a lot of things where you see happen out there. You see me? Some of the times, you know, I think that there are persons out there who do some things and don't realize that they are breaking the law. You understand? So that's why I say what I say. But you can let me know what you think, yeah. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, here's where I'm going to leave this video. You know, you can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know what